Friends, come to my session on financial derivatives. Today we'll discuss about the financial derivatives. As we very clearly said, our subject is all about risk management and derivatives management. In the risk management, we saw a number of component on the capital budgeting. Our next component is going to be financial derivatives. So after financial derivative, we will also understand a little bit of commodities, and we will also understand about how to value the financial derivatives. By this, we will complete our entire chapter. Now, first, before getting into the problem-oriented financial derivatives, we will understand what is financial derivative from a theoretical perspective. In a financial derivatives, what we see is basically financial derivative consists of forwards, futures, options, and swaps. Swaps are not there in your examination, but forwards are there, futures are there, options are there in your examinations. So we'll understand one by one what all these things are. But before understanding what is a forward, what is a future, what is an option, we will understand what is a derivative. A derivative is nothing but a financial instrument whose value depends on or is derived from the value of some other financial instrument called the underlying assets. Now, by now, you would really know how to buy a share and how to sell a share. Okay. Now, what is a share? A share is nothing but a financial instrument issued by a company which is listed in the stock market, which you can buy it and sell it based on the valuation of share, which you must have understood. Now, what happens is, now using this particular share, if we are creating something called forwards, we are creating something called futures, we are creating something called options. Now we will understand how we create this futures, option, and all these things. Now, what is a derivative? Derivative is a financial instrument whose value depends on some other financial instrument. The some other financial instrument could be shares, bonds, commodity, and so on. Now, what is the purpose of these derivatives? A derivatives is created for the purpose of insurance. Means if you are buying a particular share at a future date, okay. Now, today only we decide the price. Today only we decide the quantity. Okay, so therefore what happens, if you have to buy the share after 1 month with some X price which is decided today, you will ensure that that particular share you can buy it at that particular price. For example, you want to buy a gold. Okay, tomorrow let's say some of you may get married. Okay, now you do not know what will happen 3 months from now. Okay, the price may go up, the price may come down, but today's price, if you can buy the future after 3 months, 1 kg of gold is so much, then what happens is you are hedging the risk of going up and going down of that particular gold. Then we call it as derivatives. Okay. Now, what are the various kinds of derivative that is available in the market? Basically, we have the derivatives like forwards, futures, option, and swaps. Okay. Now, we will look into each one by one in our next sessions.